Hello everybody, this is Matt English here. Today is Monday, April 25th, 2011, and I'm continuing my almost daily weather briefing videos that includes my local area and what's happening in the entire US here. So, as you can see, there's a lot of colors on the map. Just looks like colors to you. But that means there's a lot of activity going on, a lot of alerts. In the West Coast, we've got a wind problem, multiple high wind warnings and wind advisories, dotting anywhere from Southern California all the way up to Washington. So, we could be looking at some wind damage there. Got some fires still raging in New Mexico and Texas. Got all this red flag warnings. This is where wildfires have a high probability of developing. And look at this. All of New Mexico is under a red flag warning. All of New Mexico. And a lot of western Texas, most of western Texas is also under a red flag warning. And then as you get into the central portion, you see all this green. This is all flooding. Flooding is becoming a major problem in the Midwest, and it could soon develop for Illinois. And there's also spring flooding continues in North and South Dakota, which that will continue for quite a while. Severe weather. My goodness, do we have to even go there? 3 days in a row of moderate risk for severe storms. Look at this. Got a moderate risk for tornadoes in the Arklatex region. Damaging wind threat is a slight risk. Hail threat is also a slight risk. 3 days in a row of moderate risk weather is pretty darn bad. And then it continues basically for almost the same area on Tuesday. And Wednesday, it's going to also continue. Look at all this. We have a huge slight risk and a small moderate risk. This is for the East Coast. So a lot of active severe weather today. We already got a severe thunderstorm watch here in the Arklatex region. So, now let's go to our local weather here. Well, today it's going to be a dreary, dreary day. It's already raining this morning, not serious rain. Here, okay, we have 2 areas of moisture. Zoom in on them. Alright, we got moisture this way. This moisture missed us last night. We just got the tail end of it, which we're getting now. And then we got a lot of rain here that's advancing northeastward. Look at this northeastward movement here. It's moving northeast, and as it moves northeast, it is also intensifying. This could potentially dump at up more than an inch of rain, or maybe up to like 2 inches possible. This could cause some flood problems, as we're already still seeing some flood problems left over from rainfall this weekend. So we're going to have to watch river levels. And final thing before I leave, look at this river flooding in the Midwest. You see all that? Moderate to major flooding. 37 gauges in the U.S. right now show major flooding. Most of that's actually up here in the Dakotas where spring flooding is going on. However, we got major flooding occurring on the upper Mississippi, and we're starting to see some major down here. 65 gauges show moderate flooding. That's dominant in many areas. 134 gauges this morning were at flood stage. That does not include Pontiac though. And at least another 200 gauges near flood stage. Significant flood outlook. As you can see, a lot of areas are going to be significantly flooded. Let me show you the river forecasts. 51 gauges total is showing major flooding to develop within the next 48 hours. Especially the Ohio River. Look at this. Wow. Go to the Caro gauge. As you can see, it's nearing record levels. It will near record levels. So, that's all I have today. Thank you for watching this. Peace out.